Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a clean and decorate with me Easter video. I actually did not decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I resisted and I didn't get any decorations except for my front door. And as y'all know, I love decorating for pretty much every holiday. I have a ton of storage like out of my garage and I just keep it all there throughout the year. So it's very tempting for me to decorate for every single holiday and buy new decor every year. I don't know if Jack's gonna be much help because he's been napping. He's pretty sleepy today, but he'll just look cute, won't you, bud? Yeah, you gonna help me? Okay. I'm actually gonna be doing like a light cleaning video because I pretty much deep cleaned yesterday and I clean every day. I clean my house every day because I love to clean. But today, just gonna be like dusting and vacuuming and decorating, and that's pretty much it. That's what I do for most of these videos anyways. So since I clean most of the time, there's not really a lot that I have left to do. So I'm gonna stop rambling like I always do, and we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning. I have one tub of Easter decorations. I try to just limit myself. So we're just gonna go through that, see what I've got, and we'll get started. All right, you guys, here is the tub I'm going to be decorating from. Got some cute little dish towels and some new decor this year as well. Some garland and Easter bunnies and some signs.